How to fix the Clydesdale Bank app not working. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're gonna see how you can fix if your Clydesdale Bank app is not working. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is simply open up the app, and if you are able to log in, then you can just continue on with the app. If not, just open up your settings menu, and once your settings is open, you can go ahead and scroll down until you find apps. Once you land on the apps page, you just scroll down here until you find your Clydesdale Bank app. Tap on the application and then go to storage directly. Here you can try to clear cache first because sometimes these unnecessary files might be causing the issue. Then you can also try to clear data, but you have to know that application's data will be deleted permanently and it's going to include all of the files, settings, accounts, as well as databases. If you're sure, you can just go ahead and log out and delete data. Now, finally, from here, you could go to battery, make sure that the battery restriction is set to unrestricted or optimized. And then you can go to permissions to make sure that all of the permissions are allowed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.